My name is Nancy Mware. I'm a Green Growth and Climate Change Officer at the Kenya Association of Manufacturers under the Center for Green Growth and Climate Change, where we offer technical support to manufacturers towards green and sustainable manufacturing. So the Center for Green Growth and Climate Change is a one-stop solution center for manufacturers on matters sustainable manufacturing. And for this, we offer services including energy audits. We look at how is energy used in a plant, what are the inefficiencies and the opportunities to save on energy, and we offer recommendations that then help manufacturers to improve their energy consumption while saving on energy costs. And thereafter, then you end up saving on energy, you save on costs, you improve on your bottom line basically. When manufacturers are more efficient, then even their cost of production is reduced, and therefore it's not passed to consumers. Therefore, they're not paying for the inefficiencies of manufacturers. We're also looking at the environmental impact. As we offer the carbon footprint assessments, we are helping manufacturers to identify ways in which they can reduce their impact on the environment. So those are ways that Mwananchi benefits directly from the services that we offer. So the Center for Green Growth and Climate Change is committed to walking with you the journey towards green and sustainable manufacturing. So we welcome you on board. Every manufacturer out there, we welcome you on board to take up these services that move you to the next level of sustainability as a manufacturer.